Hey, what's up? Sammy here. Today I'm going to introduce you to Geekbuying's newest electric scooter, the Kugoo G1. I've been riding it for several days, and to be honest, this one can easily make it to the top of my recommendation list. And here's why. The Kugoo G1 has an incredible build quality, unlike some cheap electric scooters I've reviewed before, which always have wobbling parts or weird designs here and there. This Kugoo G1 is a solid one. It has a robust body design, a sophisticated folding mechanism, and a powerful motor. It can easily eat those cheap scooters for breakfast. Kugoo has told us that they did a series of extreme durability tests like waterproofing test, drop test, crash test, and a bunch of other professional tests from the lab. Well, I wouldn't suggest you do that, since if you happen to damage it during those tests, Geekbuying's warranty won't cover that. But hey, that means if you run into some dicey situations like rain or super rough terrains that other scooters cannot handle, you know the Kugoo G1 is going to be fine. But assume that most of the time you will just use it as your daily city commute. So let me point out some of the highlights that I really like. The G1 comes with a legit anti-theft system. You have to use an NFC card to activate it after you power on the scooter. And it comes with a mechanical code lock. You can now safely just lock it anywhere outside if your office doesn't allow you to take it inside. Not only that, it has other refined design elements all for safe riding, like a new folding mechanism. It has two latches for even sturdier locking. Once folded, you can connect to the buckle that's on the deck for better portability. Like the braking system, the Kugoo G1 adopts front wheel hub brake plus rear wheel EABS electronic brake system. Dual brakes, double the safety. Also, like the super bright front and rear lights, it's just impossible for people not to notice you when you are riding on the road at night. Speaking of riding, the G1 sports two 10-inch pneumatic tires and dual suspension for the front fork. It can easily absorb bumps from the road, and from my experience, it's enough to handle all kinds of city roads or even some rough roads. It's smooth and comfortable to ride. As for speed, the G1 sports a 500-watt motor, which enables you to travel at a max speed of 40 km/h. With my 85 kg weight, I can always skate around 38 km/h on flat ground. Of course, it has Eco and D mode if you want a slower speed. Now to conclude, I know the $1,000 priced Kugoo G1 is definitely not the most budget e-scooter on Geekbuying. There are actually many other good value ones like the Kugoo M4 or M4 Pro, which I have reviewed before. I still recommend them. But hey, look at this thing. The Kugoo G1 is simply one of the best scooter designs yet, and as reliable as a hammer. If you want the most durable scooter that's gonna last for years, power you through rainy days and tough terrains, and it's also portable, this one is for you. Alright, if you are interested in the Kugoo G1, please check out the link in the description or on the screen from here, right? We have an exclusive $20 off coupon code that's specifically for this video's viewers like you. Don't miss it. I'm Sammy, and I will see you in the next one.